The CP8000 Plus is an ion beam milling system designed for etching the cross-sections of samples without causing any damage. In this video, COSAM's ion beam milling system will be used to demonstrate the processes of two modes of ion milling. First, prepare the sample according to its shape and size. In the case of large samples, cut them into the appropriate size. For small samples, simply attach them to the plate. In the case of powder samples, prepare them by mounting an epoxy. Place the prepared samples in the sample holder and use the height adjustment jig to adjust to a suitable height. Fasten the nut to fix the sample. Place the sample holder on the digital microscope and adjust the location of the mask. Place the desired area of etching on the center of the crosswire. Open the chamber door, mount the sample on the stage, and set the etching conditions. If the recipe function is used, various etching conditions will execute automatically in sequential order. If there are multiple layers in different locations within a single sample, suitable milling conditions may be applied separately. After setting the etching conditions, press the Start button. When the chamber reaches the high vacuum state, argon gas will be injected. Etching begins as the ion beam is directed toward the sample. When the preset etching time is complete, an alarm goes off and the system goes into standby status. You can check the etching status through the camera inside the chamber. If the degree of etching is satisfactory, press the Vent button to release the vacuum. Check the etching results through an electron microscope for a clean cross-sectional image. The CP8000 Plus comes complete with a dedicated sample holder designed specifically for flat milling. To begin, place the sample in the holder. Use the jig to adjust the height of the sample and the location of the beam. Adjust the holder to the desired angle and fix in place. Attach the exclusive holder on the stage and plug in the connector. Set the etching conditions in order. Return to Main Menu and press the Flat Mill button to activate the rotation of the exclusive holder. When all preparations are complete, press the Start button to begin etching. Etching begins as the ion beam is directed toward the sample. After etching is complete and the system enters standby status, press the Vent button to release the vacuum. Ion milling using CP8000 Plus means a wider surface area can be etched in a shorter time compared to FIB, with less physical damage compared to machine grinding or sample fracturing methods. This results in a cleaner cross-dimensional image.